When I was doing really well in the bottom. I got some things from Primark. This is perfect for the spring and summer. Want you for a second, got me thinking you're irreplaceable. I look like a princess, so cute. Thank God it's weekend. Wow.
Don't know how to say it, but something in it drives me crazy. I know it shows, so tell me.
Hello cuties, it's me Patra. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with another vlog. This is the weekend. As someone who works Monday to Friday, the weekends come, I'm like that's literally how I feel. But anyways, I've got a lot of things to do today, so come with me as we spend the weekend together and sit back and enjoy.
In that yoga stretch for shoulders and back, down, and make it slow and reach your arms up. Press for more. Inhale and exhale to feel the stretch on your shoulders and chest. Bend the knees, bend forward.
I feel so much better. Oh, hold on a sec. I feel like I tend to put more stress on my shoulder. Notice how we're always carrying our bag on our shoulder without realizing that we're actually putting more stress on it. I feel like everyone does this. When we're really cold, even if we are zipped up, we're always like hunching our shoulder like this, you know, in our pocket and hunching our shoulder. That I think causes pain in the shoulder. If I'm mentally stressed, I also put it on my shoulder as well, I think. Or if I'm carrying a bag, I like to switch it over so that I wouldn't have one shoulder like this. Collabing with a makeup artist, so I'm going to quickly get ready. I got a different face wash. To be honest, this is not the first time I've used this. Noticing my skin is a bit rough in some areas, and I do have some underlying rashes, so I decided to get this again. This face cream is also new as well, because I've seen it a lot on my For You page, and I was like, do you know what, let me just try this. And I got the moisturizing gel cream. I really do like the formula actually. It's not heavy and it's not gel, because I don't really like gel cream actually. I like a normal cream, but because we are entering into spring/summer, I wanted more light-based cream, so I got that. I really love applying sunscreen because look, see how my skin gets so glowy. And Korean sunscreen for the win, baby. Thank God I'm not putting any makeup today. Someone is gonna do my makeup for me, so I'm just going to sit there and be pretty. No, I don't know if you know this, but I'm going back to modeling. I'm now an aspiring model, so I'm looking for photographers, makeup artists, hairstylists, fashion stylists to collab with. But I must say that I'm finding it really difficult, to find people to collab with. But when I was in Birmingham, I felt like Birmingham was more like a community, but London is just, they look at you like, you know, kind of thing. But then I'm aware that some people might not want to collab with me, maybe because I don't fit their style, just like I wouldn't want to collab with some people because they just don't fit my style. Even though I'm aspiring model, I am still confident in front of camera. I know how to pose. I know what pose doesn't work right. I've been really sad about it actually, and I really want to do a beauty shoot. I feel like I'm always doing like editorial/fashion shoot, but I really do want a beauty shoot because I know there's so many petite models out there. If I'm not tall for fashion, that's fine, but I can still do beauty shoots. I do have a good skin. I just really want to meet a photographer or a makeup artist that I can really collaborate and do like beauty shoots and skincare shoots, you know. But yeah, today is a beauty collab. Oh my gosh, look at that glow. So my hairstyle needs changing, so I'm just gonna wear wig. I'm gonna cut this off to wear my wig. I really don't know what hairstyle to do, and my birthday is next month. I haven't even decided what to do for my birthday too. I want to do my hair towards my birthday month so that, you know, I wouldn't have to be fucking around. It's a bob. When I was doing really like a bob. When I come back, I'm going to do my hair because I am definitely not leaving this hair like this to work. And I can't lie, I feel like it only looks good when I have makeup on. Oh my gosh, I am so late. At this point, I don't exactly know what I'm even wearing. Like, I hope this is alright. What is going on? I don't know. What do you think? I'm not someone that easily get embarrassed, but this makeup really did this thing. The makeup just wasn't for me. It just didn't suit me. I'm not going to talk bad about the makeup artist because she was so sweet, but I think maybe I could have told her I don't really like the makeup. I'm not even sure if I'm allowed to say that if it's a collab. But anyway, I just had to take it off in severages because it definitely was not given and lots of people were staring at me. Yeah. I also stopped at Ruka hair because I wanted to buy a ponytail, but they didn't have it in store. I am so bad. I'm sorry, this hair is so hideous. I look like one of those African aunties. Like, I need to do like a mini haul because I got some few things. Probably do tomorrow. Every time I leave this place to go out, this is what my room always look like. All the time. Messy as fuck. Let's do some haul. I got a few things from Primark, mostly just loungewear. I got this long, really light trouser. What the fuck? Guess what I've just said? It's not my size, it's size 10 to 12. Patra. Okay, I'm gonna have to try it, but I don't think it's going to be my size. And I got this cute matching piece. And it says Winnie the Pooh. Wow, I got this top to wear with this trouser. And I got these shorts as well. This is the top. It's loose, but maybe extra small could have been more tighter. This is the trouser. It's a bit too loose, but I like it loose, so I can just fold it when I want to. It's big. Yeah, this is definitely my size. I really love this. It's perfect for the spring and summer. I can also fold it like this if I want to. I got a new camera and it's the Osmo Pocket 3. It's the Osmo Pocket 3. It's the Osmo Pocket 3. I'm not gonna open it until all my accessories come and I'll show you guys. Ciao. Okay, I'm back. Let's put the shopping away. This is my do-rag. Purr. Yeah, time to take this hair extension down. I probably would do my hair in the middle of April because where's my birthday is coming up. I'm a Taurus babe, okay? What's the star sign? Let me know down below. I feel like when I read the personality trait of my star sign, it literally just gibberish. The only thing I agree with is that we are materialistic, but then it's not the same for most women. We love money, we love food, which is true. Tonight I'll be your waiter. Oh my gosh, can you hear my voice? Tonight I'll be your waiter. I'm jealous of people who can actually sing their favorite artist's song from the beginning to end. For me, no matter how much I listen to it, I just can't sing them. Actually, the only song I know how to sing from beginning to the end is Beyonce. To the left, to the left, to the left, everything on to the back, to the left, in the front, yeah. In the front, yeah, that's my stuff, yeah. If I bought it, please don't touch. Keep talking down, that's not fine. Could you walk and talk at the same time now? This my name's on the jazz, so come with it back and call you a cat. Standing in the front, yeah, telling me how I'm such a fool. Talking about how I'll never ever find a man like you. Got me twisted, you must not know about me. You must not know about me. How could I not know? To wash it, I'm going to section it. A clip, moisture detangler so I can easily detangle my hair. Shake. It's always best to section your hair when you're washing your hair so that the shampoo can be distributed evenly. I'm done sectioning my hair, time to wash my hair. I'll be using my therapeutic shampoo. I know this is not like aesthetically pleasing. I have like dry, scaly, itchy scalp. It's called Denmark's therapeutic shampoo. This is to trap the heat in. I'm doing the old-fashioned way. So it's just like, you know how you go to hair salon and they put you under the steamer. It's just something like this.
Being an adult is you having to decide what to eat for the week, and I'm so tired of it. I know you can't escape it, but oh my gosh, it's so tiring. But anyway, for the next day I want to have a sweet potato chips, so that's why I'm cutting them thinly, and I'm gonna have with some vegetables. I seasoned the sweet potato with some salt and paprika, and then I added a bit of oil and then put it in the air fryer. Guys, if you do not have air fryer, get an air fryer. It will save you tons and tons of time. The hairstyle I want to do for the week is ponytail, therefore I need to straighten it a bit.
More of this. Okay, that's me done. I need to go to bed. Mornings. Actually, I had like 3 layers to just press this down. I had this on, I had that on, and I had this on as well. So let's be fast because I have 15 minutes to get ready. My girl's pretty, so fine. I am right. I'm going to tie my scarf just to keep the edges in place. Pretty, so fine. Well, peace of mind. Yes, I'm a morning person. I'm happy that the weather is clear, but my videos are going to be clear as well, so I'm happy about that. Mascara. Let's put the fake extension. Come on, seriously, what the hell? I'm gonna have to fix this when I get to work. Alright. Her, look like a princess, so cute. Anyways, cuties, it's time for me to go to work, so you know what it is. Thank you for watching this vlog. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.